Jo. I'm 33 and I'm from Berkshire. I'm a busy working mum with a little boy, and I'm here today to talk about my emetophobia journey. So I've had emetophobia ever since I was a little girl, around 8 years old. And over the years I've tried other therapies, I've tried hypnotherapy, I tried counselling, but I never really felt as if they really got to the bottom of the problem, that they really understood the phobia. And then my phobia got much worse when I was pregnant with my son, and when I had my son and when he was little. And I decided enough was enough. I've lived with this for far too long, and that's what brought me to the Thrive programme. So initially I purchased the manual and started working through it myself, but I felt as if I needed just a little bit extra support, a little bit more guidance. So that's what brought me to contacting a Thrive coach, and I spoke to the lovely Emma Rogers. And I have found the process of working through the Thrive programme and alongside a coach absolutely invaluable. Like, it's been life-changing. Of course, you don't have to go through the programme with a coach, it's however best you work, but for me I just felt like I needed a little bit extra support and to kind of have someone there to keep me accountable week by week to make sure I was on track. And I found the course as a whole life-changing, to be honest. It's like no other course that I'd done before. It really does provide you with like a toolkit of skills that you can bring with you every day, that you are still working at on a daily basis. I feel that I'm still on that journey every day of really sort of practicing the skills that I've learned and embedding them. But it really has changed my life, really. I feel that I'm so different in so many ways. I'm so much more relaxed than I was before, so much more calm in situations that I would have normally sort of been much more anxious about. And I've had some really, really big wins since going through the programme. So recently my husband and I took my little son abroad for his first holiday abroad. And I think before going through the programme, that would have been something that I'd have been just so anxious about. I really would have been worried to go abroad. But going abroad and going on holiday with him was one of the best holidays I've ever had. I think just because I coped with it. I really did cope with any kind of anxieties that I experienced, and I managed my thinking well. And I knew that I was in control of my thoughts, and I was just calmer, and I just really, really enjoyed myself. I allowed myself to relax, and it was honestly one of the best holidays I've had. And I think my friends and family have all noticed differences in me. I'm much more relaxed. And yeah, they've just seen that a new kind of level of confidence in me, which is absolutely brilliant. I also challenged myself with a 10k run recently, so I wanted to have something. I wanted to get back into my fitness after having my son, and I thought having that as a challenge and kind of like a goal to train on whilst going through the programme as well was really brilliant. And I did it, I achieved it, and it's provided me with so much more confidence than I had before. And I think that's the key to the programme. It provides you with so much more confidence. It really helps you push yourself outside of your comfort zone, which is absolutely brilliant. And yeah, it really is life-changing. So I do recommend it to anyone that might be thinking about going through the programme. Really do look at it and look into it and go for it, because honestly, if you put that work in and you work at it, you will get there and you will learn to thrive. Thank you very much.